Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 26th video of our GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the errors. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that. Today's topic is the Goroutine, right? Goroutines are very important concept when we are learning about the concurrency. Okay, first I will teach you what is the concurrency, right? Concurrency is simple terms that we can do the multiple tasks in the same time, right? That is the very simple meaning of the concurrency, right? Using the Goroutines, we can achieve the concurrency, right? Okay, first I will create a function called if, right? In here I am passing some parameter called source, type is string, right? And then inside this function I am creating a for loop, right? For I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, right? And then if empty dot println, we can first print the source, right? And then we can print the I equals, okay. In here I call to the if function, right? Directly. What is the output now? It will print the I from 0 to 4, right? This is the output. Okay. We can call to this function inside the using the another thread, right? How we can use Goroutine here? First we want to add the go keyword and then we can call to this function, right? What is the source now? Goroutine, right? Okay. Now I am running this one. What is the output now? In here you can see only the direct output, right? But what happened to this Goroutine related output? We can't see how. What is the reason for that? Because in this main function, right? Main function running in one thread. This one is running in another thread, right? After executing the main function, right? After executing the main function, we can't print this output. That's the reason we can't see this output, right? Because of that, we want to say to main function to sleep sometime, right? Time.Sleep. I'll say team around 1 second, right? Then main function sleep sometime, right? Meanwhile, this Goroutine doing their task, and we can see the output. Let's see. In here you can see, now we can see the output, right? If you call to another function with the separate thread, right? We can add the Goroutine 2, right? You can see the outputs, right? What are the output now? First you can see the Goroutine 2 output, and then you can see the Goroutine 1 output, and then the initially we can see the direct related output, right? In here we can't see any pattern there, right? And first you can think like this way. First I call to the Goroutine, and then second I call to the Goroutine 2. Then I want to print the first Goroutine 1 related answers, and then we want to print the Goroutine 2 related task. That's depend, right? In here you can see these are running in separate threads, right? Even though if we are called to the first thing in the Goroutine 1, we can see here it will bring the Goroutine 2 related output first, right? There is no any pattern there, right? These are very important when we are learning about the threads, because these two are running in separate threads in same time, right? sometimes these two can be mixed, right? Fortunately in here you can't see, but when we are trying this in with your PC, you can see sometimes these outputs can be mixed, right? Because these two are running in separate threads in same time, right? I will try to increase the I value and see the output. In here also still it is not differentiated, right? But when we are running this your machine, we can sometimes see the mixing of those output in the separate threads, right? These are very important when we are learning about the Goroutines in Go, right? We can achieve the concurrency by in several ways in the Go, right? This is one of the way that's called the Goroutine. There are like channels, etc., right? We will teach those things in the future videos, right? Okay, one thing to show you again, we can start the Goroutine in the anonymous, using the anonymous functions, right? Like in this way, first we want to use the Go keyword to start the Goroutine, and then function. There is no function name because this is a anonymous function. I am passing some message as a parameter, type is string, and then in here I am passing the value, right? And then inside the function we can call to print len method and then print the message. Okay, now I am running this one. Can you see the output? You can't see the output because the main function completed their jobs, right? Because of that one, we want to sleep sometime. Sleep time.Sleep. I am say time.7, right? Sleep around 1 second. Okay. This is the way that we can start the Goroutine using the anonymous function, right? These things are very important when we are learning about the these are very important when we are learning about the concurrency in Go program, right? Okay, these are the things that I want to teach you today. There are more things to learn, right? Like channels and etc. I will teach those things in the upcoming videos. If you learn new things, please subscribe to the channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.